Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice dresser that we're going to redo. So follow along as we strip it down, sand it, paint it, clear coat it, and make this thing transition into something really nice. So follow along. Heck, even subscribe to our channel. Alright, step one. We're going to remove the hardware. As you can see, it has the child safety locks on it, so that's kind of cool. So these drawers won't come all the way out. So you have to push that down to get the drawers all the way out. Nice little feature. So we've got a lot of hardware to get to, so let's start beginning. To sand this piece, just a little bit of scrapes, scratches on here. We're just going to try to equal those out. Should be really quick, simple. Our paint that we use for these projects doesn't require a sanding on it, but we want to make them as true and as clean as possible, so let's just run the sander over real quick. Alright, it's cleaned, it's ready. We're going to use our Dixie Belle Fluff paint. We're also going to use Dixie Belle's chip brush and their large brush here to do this whole entire project. Lots of drawers, takes a lot of time, so I'm glad we got our Dixie Belle. Maybe one coat, maybe two, maybe just a touch up of the second one. We'll have this project done pretty quick and it'll look pretty amazing. So we got to get started, so let's start with the top. Alright, we have it all painted. Now we can clear coat it. We're going to use our Dixie Belle Clear Coat Flat and our chip brush from Dixie Belle. So, let's begin. Right here this morning, we've got our Fluff paint by Dixie Belle, and we've got 12 drawers that we gotta paint. So it's early in the morning, it's not too bad out. We're gonna try to knock this out real quick. We have our Dixie Belle Clear Coat Flat. We've got our 12 drawers. Put a quick layer on, get some hardware on these things, and we'll have it done. 12 drawers is a lot, so we better get started. Alright you guys, here it is, completed. What a transformation that's already made. We used Fluff paint by Dixie Belle, and we used their clear coat. I think it came out pretty nice. Remember, subscribe to our channel. It's free. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. We're everywhere. And we even have a website, Our Vintage Statements. We'd love for you to stop by. Hopefully you guys like this project too.